In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add HTML code to your WordPress website. Now, it's nice and straightforward. You just need to head over to your HTML code. You can see this is what I'll be adding to my WordPress website. So we're going to select everything here by pressing Ctrl A, and then you just need to right click and copy all of your code. Once you've copied your HTML code, we can head back over to our WordPress website. Then select either posts or pages from the left-hand column, depending on where you want to add this. I'll just be selecting pages. Now from here, you can either add this to a new page by clicking Add New Page. Alternatively, you can just come down to a page that already exists and we can just edit the page from here. So for this demonstration, I'll just be adding this code into a new page. Once you've got the page up like so, we're just going to press this plus icon in the right hand side to add a new block. From the search menu, type in HTML. And then you need to select Custom HTML. Now all we need to do is paste all of the code that we just copied in earlier. And once you've got your HTML code copied, we can press the preview button. And as you can see, this is what it's going to look like on our page once published. So once you're happy with how this looks, we can then press Publish on the right hand side. And once you've published those changes, we can then click on View Page. And now as you can see, all of that HTML code we just copied is now turned into all of this text on the page. One other thing to note is if you did want to style any of this text here, then you can do that just by coming over to Customize at the top. Scroll down to Additional CSS, and inside of here we can type in all of our CSS code, and then you can apply certain classes and things to style all of this text. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.